theolite, extraordinary accurate instrument, used in surveying, measuring horizontal and vertical angles, eyepiece, diaphragm, focusing screw, telescope up and down fixing screw, bubble, horizontal vernier scale, vertical scale, fixing bottom screw, tripod and theodolite fixing screw, tripod, foot screws, upper clamping screw, lower clamping screw,
Next, our today experiment is about measurement of horizontal angles by using reiteration method. So in this reiteration method, so this is the point where the peg is fixed. We will be calling it as instrument point. Now we are bringing the instrument over the station, and we are centering the instrument over the station. So we are fixing the theodolite onto the tripod stand. And next you can see we are ensuring that the instrument is centered over the station or not. We are doing with the help of plumb bob. Now it is not centered properly, so we are moving the leg adjustment, and again we are verifying whether the instrument is, no, it is now also it is not centered. Yeah, you can see the instrument is centered over the station. Yeah, now you can see we are doing the second temper adjustment, that is nothing but leveling. So we have made the instrument parallel to 2 foot screws, and you can observe we are bringing it to the bubble to the center. Yeah, next one is we will be turning it as another 90 degrees, and again we are adjusting the 3rd foot screw, and again we are getting the bubble to the center. You can observe how the bubble is moving. Yeah, again we will be re-ensuring by again making it parallel to foot screws, and check whether any another minor correction is required or not. We will be ensuring that one. Next again I am focusing it to 90 degrees, and again I am checking whether it is perfectly leveled or not. This is how we will be doing the leveling operation. Next again third step is the checking focusing of the telescope, and make sure that whether the crosshairs are visible or not, the object vane is coming or not, we will be doing. So in the case of reiteration process, you can observe that is station A. Okay, first initially we have to focus, make it 0 0, and we have to focus onto station A, and after that again we have to move to the station B, and again from B you have to move to the station C, and again we have to move to the station D. After moving from station D, in the case of repetition process, we have taken another point E, and again we came to the point A. But in the case of reiteration process, again we have to start from D to C, we have to measure the angle, then again from C to B we have to measure the angle, and again from B to A we have to measure the angle. From A to D we have to start in clockwise, and again in anti-clockwise you have to come to A in the case of the reiteration process. So after taking all the points at the initial stage, first on scale A you can observe we have set it to 0 0. So on the other side of point B, you can observe from this point B you will be getting it as 180 0. Okay, so after making this one, you have to focus onto the, you have to release the upper tangent screw, and initially you have to focus the reading onto the point A. Okay, so at 0 0 after setting we have to focus it to the point A, and from point A, so here also I am taking face left observation only. So from point A to point B I will be rotating the telescope by, so we are focusing from point A to point B, and we got the reading in scale A as 52 degrees 40 minutes 40 seconds. Similarly, after that again you have to focus on to point C and note down what is the reading. 76 degrees 40 minutes 20 seconds. Next I will be focusing from point C to point D. Now I got the reading as 102 degrees, 20 minutes, 40 seconds. Next I will be taking the last point E also. One 124 degrees, 20 minutes, 40 seconds. So after taking the D reading, again you will be reiterating back again. Yeah, so we came to the point E and we got the reading. Again in the case of reiteration process, from point E you have to focus back to the point D, and after focusing that one you should get the reading as 102 degrees, 20 minutes and 40 seconds. And again from point D, again you have to focus to the point C, and after that we should get the reading there as 76 degrees, 40 minutes and 20 seconds. Again after that we have to come from point C to point B. We should get the reading as 52 degrees, 40 minutes and 40 seconds. Then after that again you have to come to the starting point of the traverse, point A, where we should get the reading as 00 on A side. So after getting to the point A, we should get the main reading as 00. If you can observe, you can see here it is visible as 00. This is how we will be doing the reiteration process, starting from one point, again coming back to in the reverse direction. In the case of repetition process, we have started from A and again we came to A in a clockwise direction. But whereas in the case of reiteration process, we have started from A and we came to point E, and again from point E we came in anti-clockwise direction and verified whether we have taken the horizontal angles correct or not. This is the procedure which we will be employing for second type of measurement of horizontal angle by using reiteration method.